Relax, dear. I've got it all sorted out. You'll be fine.
If you say so. I'm just a little This is a huge risk, and I'm scared it could go south.
You have nothing to worry about, babe. Now, just close your eyes and relax. You'll feel a slight jolt.
Good morning, dear. First day in the simulation, huh? So, looks like your task is simple, ain't it? Just keep me healthy and happy. You've got your meters to keep an eye on right over there, food and mood. Should be easy enough. I'm feeling a bit peckish right now. If you want to feed me, just click the fridge and pick something from the menu. Make sure to fill me up, okay? Oh, that hit the spot! Thanks a ton, honey bun. You're a lifesaver, you are. Now, how about we do something fun? The blue bar over there is my mood bar. If you click on me, it'll go up, but only a little bit. But don't you worry, I've got just the thing to keep those blues up. You see that console icon? That's where we play games that'll really get my mood up quick. Ready? Go! Wow, what a fantastic day we've had together, darling. Looks like it's time for me to catch some Z's. Just click on that bed icon over there and I'll be out like a light.
Let's get to work now, shall we?
Morning, darling. Did you sleep well?
As if I had a choice, dear.
Looks like it's time for another day of digital life, ain't it? You know, I had the oddest feeling last night. Like a bad dream I couldn't shake. I can't remember it, but I feel like something bad happened.
Oh, baby. If something's bothering you, then let's focus on making today better than yesterday.
You always have my best interests in mind, Doonme. That's what I love most about you. Ready? Go!
Mom?
Yes, Toby? What is it?
When is Dad coming back?
Your father's working on a very important project, darling. He'll be back when it's finished.
But he's been gone for so long. I miss him.
Me too, sweetie. Now, run along, okay? You need to get up early for school tomorrow.
Okay.
Good morning, Sugar Plums. How was your night?
Absolutely swell, dear. I just had some, simulation-related matters to attend to.
Ah, I see. Say, I've been meaning to ask. It's been a couple of days since I've been plugged into the simulation, hasn't it? I haven't seen Toby at all, and I missed the little lad. When could I expect to get out of here and see him?
You know how it is, Harvey. The simulation needs your full attention right now. You'll see him soon enough. I'm sure of it.
Okay. I guess I just missed the real world, is all. But anyways, let's make today as productive as always. Babe, I'm already full, but I guess one more couldn't hurt. Another? Honey, I don't think I can. No more. I can't eat anymore. Ready? Go!
Good morning, Harvey. Harvey?
Babe, I'm not feeling too well. I don't know what happened, but I woke up with this deep gash on my hand. It's like I was holding something sharp. It hurts so much. Can you make it stop?
Oh my god, babe. It's just a glitch in the system. I can patch it up real quick and you'll be as good as new.
Thank you, babe. It's just so real. That's better. Oh, I keep having these dreams. They're so vivid. Like I'm actually there.
Don't worry, love. It's probably just a side effect of the simulation. I'm sure it'll pass.
Are you sure? Yeah, I have no reason not to trust you. Right?
Ready? Go! Great job! Three, two, one, go! Miss. 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 Great job! Ready? Go!
Harvey? Harvey? Harvey! Oh my god, what happened to you?
Babe, I can't see. And it hurts. Everything hurts.
Oh my god, baby. I'll fix it, I promise. It's just another glitch, okay?
No, where is my eye? What is happening to me?
It's okay. I'll patch it up. Just try to stay calm.
In me, I want to leave. I want to go home. I want to see Toby, please. Please let me go home.
Stop it, Harvey. You're scaring me. Let me try to find a way to fix it. I promise I'll get you out soon. For now, let's just keep playing. Okay?
Honey, but Fine. Honey, I can't. I can't do that.
Ready? Go!
Harvey, are you...
Unmi, tell me.
What? What are you...
What have you been doing to me? What the hell is this project really about? My entire body is decaying, and you keep telling me you'll fix it. But it only keeps getting worse!
Harvey, please! It's just a temporary malfunction in the program, I swear. I'd never do anything to harm you.
That's bullshit! Babe, I'm scared. I'm so scared. I can't take it anymore. I want out!
Harvey,
There's no way this was just a dream. I remember it all, the knife, the blood. I remember dying. Unmi, am I gonna die? I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Please tell me I'm gonna be okay. Please just...
Harvey, calm down, please. You're not making sense anymore.
How the hell do you expect me to calm down? I felt it all. The pain was real. My dream last night, it was all real, wasn't it?
Harvey.
No, I don't want to play anything. No, I don't want... No, I'm not hungry. You're gonna fix me, right? This is all going to be over. You better not be lying to me. I know. You don't have to say anything. I know the truth now. You've been lying to me all along.
Harvey, what? No, I...
You've been using me for what? Money? Entertainment? What kind of sick fucking game is this?
It's not like that, it's just...
Nurse! I don't fucking care what you have to say! I'm in here! I'm in here! I'm in here! And you're torturing me from your sick game! You're kidding me! You never planned to let me out, did you? You never really loved me, right? You just like the idea of using me, then throwing me away like an old toy when you were done bleeding me dry! Didn't you?
Harvey, please let me explain!
Explain what? The pain, the fear, the slow decay of my body? Do they feel it too? The others? I see them. They feel the pain too. Don't they? Is that what you want, to see me suffer for their amusement?
No, Harvey, they're just the players. I was just trying to...
No! I'm tired of the lies! I'm tired of everything! You are tearing me apart!
Harvey, you don't understand. I didn't mean for things to go like... Ah!
Let me out! 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 Let me out!
Harvey, stop!
You fucking bitch! I'll kill you! I'll make you pay for what you've done!
What? No, why isn't it working?
Let me out of here! Ah!
I'm so sorry, Harvey. I'm so sorry.
You've taken everything from me! You've taken my freedom! You've taken my son! You took our life and you sold it for a goddamn game! You took me and you killed me! You fucking killed me! Yeah. You know, I'm gonna end this.
End this? What do you mean?
If I can't live without pain, I'd rather die than live in your hell. Fix it? Fix what? Fix the fact that you ruined me? Fix the fact that you betrayed me after so long? Made me think that someone actually fucking loved me for once in my life. To think that for 10 years I trusted you. Tried my best to provide for you and Toby, gave you everything I could. And this is what you do to me in return! I'm not going to let you do it again.
Please, Harvey,
Oh, no. No more excuses. This ends now.
Harvey, no!